massage for free. Organic ass massage on these roads. These roads are just like I remember them. They're like jungle trail in Montezuma starts now. What do you think? You like it already?
I like it, yes.
Yeah, we're going to the waterfalls now, so...
It's so fresh here.
So fresh, yeah. Wait until you start to sweat in like 5 minutes. What did you do this morning?
Freediving.
Yeah, how was
on
it?
the ground. Dry, beautiful.
Yeah.
Learned a lot about breathing techniques.
Yay! You're gonna use your breathing technique when you jump from the waterfall?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, she doesn't want to be in the video.
I'm super excited.
Yeah. We've just been to one waterfall and now going to the next. I don't know if this is sweat or water from the waterfall, maybe both. And here with Alice, one of our students. Yay! What did you think about the first waterfall?
Oh, it was perfect.
Was it perfect?
Yeah.
How was the high jump?
Good, good. A little bit afraid. Beep, beep, beep. But it's okay. It's okay.
Jump again.
After Gustavo jumped like front side, I had to jump. And she is pretty brave as well.
You're super
She
brave.
was jumping as well. There you go. There you go. And now I'm going to jump.
Then I know I will jump.
Wow! The rest of the food is in here. It was so much food, so good. Montezuma is really small. It's literally 3 streets. This is where we end our Montezuma tour. Strolling around a little bit in town. There's a really good ice cream place up there. But like, look at my stomach. Food, baby. Thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you soon at Perfect Sunset School.